Good news I wanted to share with you on when we were walking on the ramp, a representative of DAMAC had said that you have secured us for 5 years. Thank you so much.
Back to front.
Ladies and gentlemen, this event, though I am getting the accolades and people are believing that I have done this, but this would not have been possible without the support of the able team which I had. Probably show I will have to call them on the stage. It will take a longer time. And the secretariat. We plan everything on the paper, but it is the execution which takes the real crux of it. And under the able leadership of Executive Director, they have done a wonderful job. Thank you very much, Sabyasachi, and to your team, and my colleagues, Harish Bhai, and all of you. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Right now, and you're live on Fame, and there are a lot of people who are watching you, as you can see.
Okay.
You can see a lot of people watching you right there. They want to know what you're wearing, about your jewelry and all of that.
I'm wearing Shamlan Bhumika, and this is Birdi Chand jewelry.
And how do you feel at this point of time?
I feel good. There's no point that I don't feel good. परेशान नहीं कर रहा था, लंबा है ड्रामा के लिए, पर मुझे पता नहीं था कि मुझे इतने सारे टर्न्स करने पड़ेंगे। यूजुअली रैंप वॉक में सिर्फ एक बार जाना पड़ता है ना, आगे पीछे, पर अदरवाइज इट्स लुकिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, सो आई एम हैप्पी विद इट।
हर बार रैंप पे वॉक करना कितना नया और कितनी नर्वस रहती है?
मैं ज़्यादा आजकल करती नहीं हूँ। आई थिंक IIGW के लिए आई डोंट नो, इतने साल से मैं कर रही हूँ, मैं भूल जाती हूँ कि सेंटर में देखना है। तो मुझे बहुत पसंद आता है, जैसे संजय भाई ने कहा था कि ये ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री के लिए बहुत ही ये हमारा हम्बल अटेम्प्ट है प्रमोट करने के लिए इंडियन ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री। और मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ कि पिछले 6 साल से मैं भी IIGW की ब्रांड एम्बेसडर रही हूँ और काउंसिल की ब्रांड एम्बेसडर पिछले 7 साल से रही हूँ। और आई फील लॉन्ग एसोसिएशन विद द ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री एंड विद द होल टीम हैज़ actually really benefited us both. I have a knowledge of jewelry, more of jewelry and the industry now, and how beneficial it is for our country for us to promote the jewelry industry.
So you've been associated with IIGW for so long now.
Since the beginning, since the first.
This is the 6th year now. So over the years, how difficult has it been for you? So many jewelry pieces you keep seeing, around you for so many years. Does it become very tempting for you?
Of course. You all have also been coming for the past 6 years. It's not tempting for you guys.
Yeah, but
it is. I mean, the whole point of this show is for people to buy the jewelry. And as a brand ambassador, I'm the first one to get a taste of all of it. And yes, I do. In fact, we have exhibitions from 6th to 8th that are going on right over here. And my mother is the first one to go and suss everything out. So yes, I do buy a small piece or a big piece every year.
Did you really buy?
Yes.
If I may add, her mother is a great designer of jewelry.
wonderful, and I think it just makes me happy.
And have you become a wiser user now? Considering that it comes to buying jewelry.
I've never been wise. I've never been wise when it comes to shopping.
But Sonam, the rate of gold has actually gone down.
Has it?
Yes.
No, yeah, it's still expensive. 23 हो गया? Okay, fine, ठीक है.
Independence Day wish.
Happy Independence Day. When is this? 15? But still, okay. Happy Independence Day to everyone.
You actually also tweeted about the bond ban.
Yes.
The government has, but now they have taken back a few of the sites. So, what do you?
Few of the sides.
Yeah.
No, I just feel you can't keep banning things. But I said what I had to say. I can't.
Sorry.
Why don't we all stand there? No, I said whatever I had to say on social media, and I feel like there's so many people who already spoken about it, and have covered it so much. I don't know. Let's see what happens to our country. Thank you.
One more, Ji.
Thank you.
Sonam Ji, one more. Sonam Ji. Sonam Ji.
Just do a quick selfie. जल्दी से.
सर, सबसे पहले तो आज यहाँ पर क्या कुछ होने वाला है, पूरी टीम आई है मानसिक की, क्या कहना चाहिए?
मांझी द माउंटेन मैन फिल्म जो है वो 21 तारीख को रिलीज़ हो रही है और हम सारे देश में घूम रहे हैं।